I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to do the 90 FPS comparison between the iQOO 7 versus the Mi 11X device by using the same config file. Yes friends, I'm gonna use the same config file in both phones and just show you the results, how the both phones are behaving something kind of different. I mean, the Mi 11X is supporting with the 90 FPS, but the iQOO 7 I'm unable to get the 90 FPS working in this phone. So in case if you have any other config files working in the iQOO 7 device while playing the BGMI, not the PUBG, by playing only Battlegrounds Mobile, so just email me the files. A couple of users did already email me a couple of files as well, but I did try those in this phone, but those files are not working for me. So in case if it is working in your phone, so make sure to send me the screenshot as well. So after using the 90 FPS, so just show me this kind of screenshot which shows the 120 Hz while you are playing the Battlegrounds Mobile. So in this video, I'll try to show you step-by-step process what I'm trying to do using the same config file only. Let me try to open this folder. As you can see, this is the exactly same patch file. You can see the file name as well and the file size as well, as you can see. So both phones I'm trying to copy and I'm trying to do in front of the camera only what is happening. I'll try to explain. So let me try to go back and copy it and going back and go to the Android and go to the data. Same thing. So first let me try to do in the Mi 11X device, then I'll try to do in the iQOO 7 smartphone. So I'm trying to search for the file which is a com.pubg.imobile. Go to the files, shadow tracker and packs and paste it. Done. In the Mi 11X I did the same thing. So let me try to do in the iQOO 7 also same thing. Let's go to the iQOO 7. I thought of doing in front of camera comparing both phones. So some people they did ask me to compare. Can you please do the setup and everything comparing with the Mi 11X device? So this will be kind of useful. Let me try to see where I can find the PUBG, iMobile, as you can see. Go to the files. Same thing I'm trying to do, friends. Same file I'm trying to copy. Same config file only. Pasted. As you can see, successfully done. So now both phones are obviously turned on with the 120 Hz. Otherwise, we won't be able to see this 120 Hz refresh rate on this top. That's a common thing. So let me try to open the Battlegrounds mobile game in both phones and show you what will be the results. So what kind of settings we are getting in the graphics. That is what I'm going to exactly show you right now, comparing both phones side by side. So this Mi 11X was able to support a higher 90 FPS, but the iQOO 7 is not supporting with a higher 90 FPS. So that is what the problem is. Let me quickly show you the results in the settings. And in the iQOO 7 device, you are getting the 90 FPS, but the actual refresh rate is not changing, friends, even though you select the 90 FPS. There is a problem in the iQOO 7 device. So I'm not sure whether this config file kind of supporting in this iQOO 7 or not, but the same config file was supported in the Mi 11X device and Poco X3 Pro as well. So just yesterday I did do the live streaming on this Mi 11X device using this config file. If you want, you can check the live streams. So even though I select the 90 FPS in both compact and lobby and anything, so it remains at 60 only. As you can clearly see, it's not changing to 120 at all. It's kind of real-time refresh rate option. So if it changes to 120 FPS, then I thought of using the third-party FPS meter test as well, so then I can actually show you the results, but right now it's not supporting with a higher 90 FPS in this phone. So I'll try to do my research with the config file finding for the iQOO 7 device as soon as possible. So meanwhile, we'll be able to only play the 90 FPS in the Mi 11X device by using this config file. And one more thing, using the config file may get banned your account as well, so make sure to be alert before using the config file in your active account. If you want, you can just try in the normal basic account as well, just for the testing purpose. If you want, you can use that, but don't use for the actual account. That is what my advice is. So thank you for watching this video, friends. In case if you have any other queries regarding the iQOO 7 device, so don't forget to comment below. So definitely I'm doing my best to find the file exactly suitable for the iQOO 7 device. So I'll try to download a couple of other files as well, and I'll try to keep you posted what is happening in this phone. So don't worry, friends, definitely I'll try to some other way to see what is happening in this phone as well. And some users that did report me that this 120 FPS they were able to get in the PUBG, but I need to test with the PUBG as well. Very soon I'll try to test with the PUBG whether this will support or not. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.